Hello students, today I am going to tell you lesson 5 possessive adjective. So let's start. Children, possessive adjective is an adjective that is used to show ownership. It comes before noun in the sentence. As I told you before my video, so again I am repeating you, a possessive adjective is an adjective that is used to show ownership. It comes before noun in the sentence. And pronoun, you can see a pronoun also. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word is come in the place of noun. So let's start. First see in the table singular and plural. Pronoun in singular form: I, you, he, she, it. Pronoun in plural form: we, you, they. Possessive adjective in singular form: my, your, his, her, its. Possessive adjective in plural form: are, your, their. But first you have to see here pronoun I. I will be converted into my in possessive adjectives. You will be converted into your in possessive adjective. He will be converted into his in possessive adjective. She will be converted into her in possessive adjective, or it will be converted into its in possessive adjective. In plural, we will be converted into our, you will be converted into your in possessive adjective, they will be converted into their. But you should know in Hindi meaning also. Pronoun are, what does it mean? मैं. But in possessive adjective you say my, मेरा. Pronoun you, तुम. Possessive adjective तुम्हारा. He, we use he for boy. But when it will be converted into possessive adjective, it will become his, उसका. She we use for girl. But when it will be converted into possessive adjective, it will become her, उसका. It will be converted into its. Pronoun we, हम, we will be converted into our, हमारा. You, तुम, it will be converted into possessive adjective your, तुम्हारा. They, मतलब वे in pronoun. But when it will be converted into possessive adjective, it will become their, उनका. So you can see in this table, these are singular pronoun and possessive adjective, plural pronoun and possessive adjective. So children, let's see here. Once again we will read here. I have a dog, it is my dog. See here, my came first, after my dog came. So dog is a noun, my is possessive adjective. But how come to know this? The my is possessive adjective. So see, dog, it came after possessive adjective, means noun came after possessive adjective. It qualify the, my qualify the noun, means it came after possessive adjective. Then you will come to know my is possessive adjective. You have a pen, it is your pen. It shows the ownership, means how it belongs to his or her. He has a bicycle, it is his bicycle. Whose bicycle it is? His bicycle. See, it shows the ownership. His bicycle. His is possessive adjective. She has a house, it is her house. It is her house. So it qualify the noun. It qualify the, her qualify the noun. So it is possessive, her is possessive adjective. The mouse has a car, its car is blue. So its is possessive adjective, car is a noun. Or before noun what came? Possessive adjective, as I told you in the definition. Next we have toys. These are our toys. So our toys, R is possessive adjective, plural possessive adjective. See, you have cats. They are your cats. Your is possessive adjective. They have books. Their books are old. There is possessive adjective because it comes before noun. They have bananas. Their bananas are yellow. So there is possessive adjective. Okay children, so I hope you have understood. So now I am giving